Hey friend, it's Lindsay with Weatherwood Home. If you're new to my channel here, you'll see that I love teaching you how to use architectural salvage and antiques in your home to help give it a more rustic style. But you may or may not know that I also make wood signs using reclaimed wood, like the sign behind me. And in today's video, I thought it'd be a lot of fun to show you a behind the scenes look of how I make the frames for my signs. There's actually 7 steps that go into just making the frames alone, and so I'm really excited to give you guys a glimpse into this process. I'm so excited to be doing this video in collaboration with my friend Holly at Living It Country. I put a link to her channel in the video description below, but it's all about inspiring you and helping you make your house a home. She does farmhouse home tours, DIY home projects, home decor hauls, and so much more. And I'm just so honored that she's been a longtime customer of mine, and it was actually her idea to give you a behind the scenes look into how I make my signs. So let's go ahead and get started with step number 1. Here we are, guys. Bald Eagle Barnwood. We are going to get some wood to make some frames, to make some signs. Here's Tyler shooting out some nails. There we go. 2 for 2.
Works pretty good.
I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and be sure to check out these other videos for some ideas on how to use reclaimed materials in your home.